Hello, I'm Water Technology Chief Editor Jesse Osborne, and I'm at the Blue-White booth at WEFTEC 2022. And I'm joined by Company President Rob Gledhill. Rob, it's great to see you again.
Yeah, great to see you again, Jesse. I'm super excited to be here at WEFTEC this year. I love meeting all the water professionals from around the world, and what I really love most is telling them, showing them our new technologies, our new products to help them run their plants more efficiently and more effectively.
So without further delay, what do you have on display this year?
Well, I'd love to show you. So commonly, in processing plants around the world, water plays such an important role. You're using water for chilling, heating, cleaning, waste conveying, and so many other reasons for using water. And that water needs to be treated for either reuse or before it's sent back to the municipalities. And so to treat that water, usually you use chemicals during that process. And what we make at Blue-White Industries are chemical metering pumps to dose those chemicals into your water for treatment for various reasons. A common technology used to treat the water or pump the chemicals into your water are diaphragm metering pumps. And we have a diaphragm metering pump right here. It's a new technology of ours. What's unique about our diaphragm metering pumps is that we have two diaphragms operating in a separate phase from one another. And those diaphragms are connected to what we call a hyperlink drive. It's an exclusive design, but then it's connected to a brushless DC motor. And so what all of this means is that the end result is you get smooth chemical feed. Instead of huge pulsations, ours is smooth chemical feed. And because we utilize a full stroke every time, it really reduces or minimizes the chance of vapor lock or loss of prime. Because it's very important to keep a pump running. When a pump stops in your process and isn't pumping when it should be, it's a problem. And so we eliminate that problem with our newer, innovative designs. Another technology we have that serves the same purpose, but it's a different technology. It's a peristaltic pump. And peristaltic pumps use a tube instead of a diaphragm, a tube, and we progressively squeeze that tube. And that process precisely injects chemicals into your system. And what's unique is the tube has great memory. It can bounce right back after that squeeze. And that will essentially suck or draw that chemical back into the pump head. So that's the pumping action of the peristaltic pump technology. What's great about that technology is it can pull a 30-foot suction. And so what that means is our pump could be as high as that roof and pull that chemical or fluid all the way up to the pump head and pump it into your system. It's a very powerful pump, very popular, both the diaphragm and the peristaltic. We also have some chemical feed skid packages or systems, and what we do there is we incorporate our chemical metering pumps that are critical in processing plants, and we put them on a frame with all the components you need for successful chemical feed. And what we do is we put it all together, we build it in the plant, we test it, and we ship it out to our customers, and they ship fully assembled, saving the plant a ton of time when they're installing their chemical feed system. It has everything they need. So what we're really trying to do is simplify the lives of our customers, and it's these processing plant operators so that they can focus on other areas within the plant so that their company, their business can thrive. And so that's what we do, and that's what we're happy to showcase here at WEFTEC.
So how are these types of products being used in the industrial water and wastewater segment?
Yeah, so they're commonly used in processes like when you're treating cooling towers or for boiler treatment as well, even the wastewater side. So you could be injecting anti-scalants, corrosion inhibitors, or just disinfectants generally to treat that water before it goes out to the municipalities. And like I said, the water is used throughout many of the areas of the processing plants. And that water definitely needs to be treated for many reasons. And so another thing I'd like to bring up is we also manufacture flow meters that are heavily used for monitoring the flow rates to ensure your processes are running as you expect them to be running, because that water is critical to be where it needs to be, whether it's for chilling or heating or disinfecting or waste conveying. You're expecting a certain flow rate. And there's nothing more important than monitoring that flow rate to ensure you're getting the proper gallons per hour or whatever your measurement units are through your system, through your process. So I hope that was a good summary of some common use cases and examples of where you use our products out in the processing plants.
Rob, how can people find out more about Blue White and its products and services?
Yeah, well, I recommend you just log on to our website at blue-white.com. We have all this great information regarding all the products I just talked about on our website. And again, that's blue-white.com.
That concludes this WEFTEC 2022 Industry Brief.